This small but incredibly powerful device has changed the way battles are fought. We're talking about the hand grenade, compact, deadly, and built for quick, devastating impact. In this video, we're breaking down how a fragmentation grenade works, piece by piece, in the simplest way possible. So let's dive in. Nut and bolt the outer shell. The body. The body of a grenade might look simple, but it's made to do serious damage. Usually crafted from steel or cast iron, it's designed to explode into tiny, high-speed fragments when it detonates. These sharp pieces are what cause the most harm. Some grenades have small grooves or pre-notches on the outside to control the size and shape of these fragments. That makes them even more effective at spreading damage over a wider area. Collision inside the grenade. The explosive filler. Now let's look inside. The heart of any grenade is its filler, the explosive material that makes the whole thing go boom. Common types include Composition B, a mix of RDX and TNT, or just straight TNT. These explosives burn fast and hard, creating a powerful blast that sends those metal fragments flying in every direction. Stopwatch. The fuse. Timing is everything. This is where things get really interesting. The fuse assembly is the part that controls when the grenade explodes. It includes the primer, a tiny explosive; the delay element, a slow-burning fuse; the detonator, which triggers the big explosion. There are two main types of grenade fuses. Time delay fuse gives you a few seconds, usually 4 to 5, after you throw it before it explodes. Impact fuse explodes as soon as it hits something. Most grenades use the time delay version because it gives the thrower time to take cover. Lock safety features, so it doesn't explode in your hand. Safety is key until you want the grenade to explode. Here's how it stays safe before being thrown. The safety pin is in place. The safety clip keeps everything held together. The safety lever, also called the spoon, is pressed tightly against the grenade. Once the pin is pulled and the grenade is thrown, the safety lever pops off, and things get real. Fire chain reaction. How the explosion happens. Let's walk through what happens when you throw a grenade. You pull the pin and release the lever. The striker, pushed by a spring, spins and hits the primer. The primer creates a small spark. That spark lights the delay element, burns for 4 to 5 seconds. When the delay burns out, it ignites the detonator. The detonator sets off the filler, the main explosive. Boom! The body explodes, and fragments fly in every direction. This all happens in seconds, but it's a carefully timed chain reaction that makes the grenade so effective. Bomb. The explosion. What really happens when the grenade explodes? It creates a super fast blast of hot gases trapped inside the shell. The pressure builds up so fast that the metal casing shatters. That's when the sharp metal pieces, called shrapnel, go flying outwards. These fragments, along with the shockwave, are what cause the damage. They can tear through walls, vehicles, and of course, anything or anyone in range. Brain. Final thoughts. The hand grenade might look simple, but it's a genius piece of engineering, a carefully designed balance of safety, timing, and destructive power. It turns a small object into a controlled burst of chaos on the battlefield. We hope this breakdown helped you understand how these devices work and why they've become such a key part of modern combat. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another deep dive like this. Thanks for watching.